We'll guide you through how to integrate PayPal for Calendly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner and click on the account icon. Then select integrations from the drop-down menu in the integrations page. Scroll down until you see the PayPal option. Click on connect next to PayPal. This will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal credentials and authorize the connection between Calendly and PayPal. After successfully connecting, go back to Calendly and navigate to your event types. Click on the event you want to set up with payments and select edit. In the event settings, look for the option that says payments and click on it. Here, you will see PayPal as a payment option. Toggle the switch to enable it. You can then set the amount you wish to charge for the event. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. Now, when someone schedules an event with you through Calendly, they will be prompted to make a payment via PayPal. This is a great way to ensure you receive payments upfront and manage your bookings more efficiently. And that's it. You're all set to start accepting payments through PayPal on Calendly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.